Today we will discuss about present tense. There are 4 forms of the present tense in English. Present simple tense. Present continuous, progressive, tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Let's start with the present simple tense. First, we have to know the form of the present simple tense. Subject plus base verb, add s for third person singular. Then we will know where we will use the present simple tense. Present simple tense is used for habits. General truths. Regular actions. Let's learn through example. I play soccer every weekend. We can use this type of sentence for habits. The sun rises in the east. We can use this type of sentence for general truths. He works in a bank. We can use this type of sentence for regular action. Key points: add s or es to the verb for third person singular. For example, he goes. She watches. Next, we will discuss another form of present tense. And that is present continuous, progressive, tense. Subject plus am, is, are plus verb, ing. Present continuous, progressive, tense is used for actions that is happening now. And for temporary actions. I am reading a book right now. This work is happening now. He is staying with his friend this week. This a temporary action. Key points: am, is, or are depends on the subject. For example, I am, and we will use he, she, it for is, and we, you, they for are. Add ing to the base verb. For example, I am reading. Now, we will discuss about present perfect tense. Let's see the form of the present perfect tense. Subject plus has, have plus past participle. Present perfect tense is used for actions completed at an unspecified time in the past, or actions that continue into the present. I have visited Paris. This sentence is used for unspecified time in the past. She has lived here for 5 years. This sentence is used for the action that continues into the present. Key points: use have with I, you, we, they. And use has with he, she, it. Lastly, we will discuss the present perfect continuous tense. Let's see the form of the present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus has or have been plus verb, ing. Present perfect continuous tense is used for action that continues into the present. Used for the duration of action. And also used for action with recent relevance. I have been working since morning. In this sentence an action is continuing into the present. She has been studying for 3 hours. This sentence is used to say the duration of an action. They have been playing football recently. This sentence is used to say an action with recent relevance. Key points: combine has and have with been and the verb in ing form.